Okay, in this video, we are going to solve one problem that is based upon distillation. In this problem, feed contains 5000 kg per hour of solution that containing 15% methanol is continuously fed to a distillation column. Distillate is found to contain 90% methanol and waste contains 8% methanol by weight. We have to find out the flow rate of distillate and waste. Okay, so when you solve such problems, we have to take first basis. Okay, we have to take first basis. So what is the basis for this particular problem? So I just write down the basics. Please concentrate. So we are going to solve this problem with certain data, and in this problem, this feed is given. The feed to the distillation column is given, and that feed quantity is 5000 kg per hour. Feed quantity 5000 kg per hour. Second, they are given this that feed contain 15% methanol. This feed contain 15% methanol. Okay, so based upon this feed contain 15% methanol, we can have this value that XAF. What is XAF? XAF is nothing but fraction of methanol in feed. Here we have written XAF. A means more related component. Okay, so they are given the composition of methanol, and therefore we write down here XAF as fraction of methanol in feed. Okay, so this fraction of methanol in feed will be 15/100, because in feed there is 15% methanol. So 15/100, that will be the fraction of methanol, and we get here value 0.15. That means fraction of methanol in feed is 0.15. What other things they are given in this problem? They are given the composition of distillate also, and that distillate contain 90% methanol. Okay, so we write down this quantity also as fraction of methanol in distillate. X stands for fraction, component A molar component, and D is the distillate. So we write down here XAD as we want fraction, we have to divide percentage by 100, and you get here value 0.90. That is 0.9. So fraction of methanol in distillate is 0.90. What another thing they have given? They have given the composition of waste also, and that waste contain 8% methanol. Waste contain 8% methanol. So we write down this composition also, that XAW. That composition of methanol, composition of waste that contain 8% methanol. Waste contain 8% methanol. Therefore, 8% divided by 100, so that we get here fraction of methanol in waste at 0.08. Okay, so in this problem they are given this 4 quantity, and we have to calculate D and W. That we have to calculate flow rate of distillate and waste. Okay, so we have to use the flow rate material balance equation. We have to use material balance equation. So for that we have to first draw block diagram. Okay, so I just draw block diagram. Okay, here is our distillation column, feed. From top we get distillate, from bottom we get waste. Okay, so here we have this feed. Okay, this feed is given 5000 kg per hour. This feed is given 5000 kg per hour. Okay, and that feed contain methanol as 15%, so that is 0.15 fraction. Okay, so from top we get distillate here. Distillate quantity not given, we have to find out, but they have given the composition of methanol in distillate XAD, that is 0.93. From bottom we get waste. This quantity is not given, but they are given fraction of methanol in waste, that is 0.08. Okay, so with this data we have to find out now the quantity D and W. Okay, so here is our distillation column. So this is our distillation column. This is our distillation column. From top we get distillate, from bottom we get waste. So we'll write down now material balance equation, and with the help of this material balance equation we are going to find out D and W. So first we have to write down which material balance, that is called total material balance. It's also called TMB. What is the total material balance equation? If you just see this distillation column, input, feed and output, distillate and waste. So we get first material balance equation, F is equal to D plus W. Only one input quantity feed, there are two output quantity D and W. So we get first material balance equation, that is F is equal to D plus W. This is our first material balance equation. This is our first material balance equation. Okay, so from this first material balance equation we get amount of D. How we get? We just concentrate here. So first material balance equation, feed is equal to 5000, that is D plus W. And from this you get D is equal to 5000 minus W. We get D is equal to 5000 minus W. Okay, so this particular value of D now we are going to use in second equation, which is component material balance. Okay, now we write down the component material balance. So component material balance is also called CMB. C stands for component, M stands for material, B stands for balance. So component material balance. And in this component material balance, we take the balance of component A. So what is the equation for this? What is the equation for this? That A in feed, A in F is equal to A in distillate plus A in W. So if you just see this particular our log diagram, whatever A in this feed, that all that A you will get in D plus A in W. So we write down this equation as A in feed is equal to A in D plus A in waste. Okay, so how much amount of A will be in the feed? So that A in the feed will be F into XAF, where F is the quantity of feed, that is equal to D into XAD plus W into XAW. Okay, so this D into XAD gives A in D, W into XAW gives A in W, and F into XAF that gives A in feed. Okay, so which quantity is here given? We just put these particular values. We have to just put these values here. So F is given, F is 5000, XAF is 0.15, we have calculated that, fraction of methanol in feed. D not given, okay, but XAD is given, it is 0.9 plus W not given, but XAW is given, that is 0.08. Okay, so here now in this equation we will put the value of D from first equation. So we put this value of D here, from that we get, therefore we get here 5000 into 0.15, how much it is coming? It is coming 750 0 that is equal to 5000 minus W into 0.98 plus 0.08 W. Okay, now we'll solve this. 750 that is equal to, now we'll take this 5000 minus W out of bracket. So what will you get? You will get here 5000 into this 0.9 minus 0.9 into W, bracket complete, plus 0.08 W. Again we have to solve this. How much will get here now? 4500 minus 0.9 W plus 0.08 W. Okay, I will solve this. We will get here 4500 minus, here W is common, here W also. Okay, so here it is minus 0.98 W, here it is 0.08 W. So final answer you will get here how much? You will get here 0.82 W. You will get here 0.82 W. If we just take this W common, inside will be what? Inside will be, if we take minus W common, here will be 0.9 and here it will be 0.08, minus plus. From this, you get this value 0.8. Okay, so finally now we have to find out the value of W. Okay, so we just take this term this side. So I am just again simplify it so that you will get here 0.82 W. 0.82 W. This minus sign I take this side, so it becomes plus, so you get here 0.82 W. Okay, you get here, this I make small correction here. Okay, I just go for the simplification here. You will get here this minus sign, you take this side, so it will be plus 0.82 W. Okay, that is equal to 4500. Okay, so this 750 of this side it is plus, so this side it will be minus 75. I just transfer from this side to that side. Okay, so it is minus. Now how much you get here? 4500 minus 75. Please operate calculator. How much it is coming? 4500 minus 750. Are you getting it is 3750? Are you getting it is 3750? Okay, from this you get W is equal to 3750. Point to multiplication, this side, here it is multiply, here it will be divide. Okay, here it is multiply, here it will be divide, that is 0.82. So you will get here, please operate calculator, you will get this value 4573.17 kg per hour. So the amount of or flow rate of waste 4573.12 kg per hour. Okay, now just to substitute this value of W in our first equation, and calculate D. So D will be 5000 minus W, that is 5000 minus 4573.17. So just operate calculator, you will get answer. Okay, how much it is coming? Please operate calculator. 5000 minus 4573.17. Okay, it is coming 426.83 kg per hour. Okay, so we have calculated. So we have calculated distillate 426.83 kg per hour and waste 4573.17 kg per hour. Okay, so this way we have to solve such problems in which other quantity is given and you have to find out D and W.